Uy, tugol eh. Sige. Hina man. Struggling my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly. Enough is that, thank you. Patay na yung ano natin, what's ours. Thank you, Boy Bisdak Vibes, sa support mo. Musta na? Nag-live ka kahapon na. Hear this song, a good song. I hear the what's ours ko, patay na. And so I came to see, to listen for and there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, calming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his word. Uy, bihira na lang tayo mag-live dito, ano? Boy, Bisdak, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his heart. Uy! Aw, kala ko king ko eh. With his song. Nasa work ka, nasa bahay. Kung gusto mo umakyat, welcome ka. I feel a flush with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I feel they found my letters and read it one night. I pray that he would finish, but he just keep right on, struggling my pain with his fingers. Di na ako marunong ha. Singing my life with his word. Good vibes lang guys. Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly. Nga naman, bakit? Why? Niligpit ko na sound card ko. Bakit nangyari? May nagsiselos ba? May nagsiselos? Pinagsiselosan yung whitey mo? Ayun kasi. With his song. Ano yung live mo kanina? Isang asin, inumi, inuma, dark despair, pati bogo, bumbuwa. Ano na? Magkakapila ka na. Itaan na lang sa tawa mo. Pagod ka, inaantok ka. Singing, singing. Nawala ako sa'yo ah. Pagkabaliktad yung blouse ko ha. Ang tanong ko, may buhok ka pa? May buhok pa ba? Ay, Ginoo ko. Uy, may tanong ako sa'yo, bakit niligpit mo yung sound card mo? Ano, may nagsiselos ba? May nagsiselos? With his words, killing me softly. Uy, busog ako, grabe, hindi makabirit. Lulusog ako sa sa tubig. 1 litro ba naman? Ayan, 16 million in the house, guys. Salamat, guys. Salamat. Tapos na pala yung ko. La, 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 wala sa kilikilin. Nasa titatatatatatatut. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. O, diba? Oy, boy, bisdak, may inggit ka sa amin. Dali na. Good vibes lang. Mahina kasi Uy, sim tayo. Sim tayo. Pero okay ba yung signal ko dyan? Kaya hindi ako nagla-live kasi mahina yung signal ko sa totoo lang. Pag nag-record ako,